Yo, what's up? Quick little trade recap on the trade that I took today. Took a short on NQ towards internal range, 50-minute fair value gap. Simple short. Long term, I was bullish, so I just took a short to rebalance to the 50-minute gap to see price go higher. And I'm going to explain to you why I took this trade and what my bias was going into the day. Daily, we had NQ giving us a daily internal external. So when I came to the charts, I was bullish because we were tapping the daily fair value gap. I had marked out the external range liquidity, which was the daily high, previous day high. So that was my target for the day. As you can see, we got opens, and opens immediately boosted to my target. So nothing for me to do there. Then we continued to boost here. We closed above ERL, really just rallied up, structure up, up, up. And at some point, we made a huge SMT with ES because ES has also daily internal external but has not yet tapped the external range liquidity. So we had a previous day high SMT with ES, which is a pretty big SMT if you ask me. So I drew that out. Now I knew ES didn't really want to go higher for real because we had this huge SMT on the higher time frame. So I dropped down to the lower time frame and I saw that the 50-minute left a huge imbalance, and I did not expect price to just go up and up and up and up. Let me replay here. I did not expect price to just continue to run higher here. From here, just all the way without any pullbacks. I didn't expect that. I expected a pullback into that 50-minute fair value gap here. And then to maybe rally higher. We ended up not going anywhere today, but that's besides the point. This is what I was thinking. So I looked for shorts towards internal range liquidity, this 50-minute fair value gap, to then go higher. I don't care what price did after going to the 50-minute fair value gap, but that was my drawn liquidity for that reason, because I saw a rebalance happen before we went higher. And again, I was bullish because we had daily internal external, and overall the higher time frame was bullish to me. So then we drop down to the lower time frame, which is going to be the 1 minute. And we were just respecting this price action here. Let me go ahead and forward a little bit. And you're going to see that we make an SMT with ES here. So when I saw this SMT form, I was watching the candles closely. I saw that we had a lot of volume and a lot of volatility coming into this down movement here. All I needed to see was a solid close below this inversion fair value gap, which we got with that candle. And I saw ES really wanted to go with this candle as well. So I waited for the next candle to close and I entered right here because I saw this breakout on ES and I saw this inversion being validated on NQ with the SMT on the highs, which is enough for me to say that we are going to go lower into this 50-minute fair value gap and this sell side liquidity, which is internal range liquidity. So we got that. I entered and basically got TP immediately. Was that 1, 2, 3, 4 candles? So trade was really short. Entered basically on discounted because I entered on a close, and I just had a short for a 1 or 2. So that was the trade. Simple. SMT, inversion fair value gap, internal range as a target, even though higher time frame was bullish. But I saw a reason to go lower to sell and then go higher. We had to rebalance. This is also OT of the range from opens to here. Also OTE. So just really just a rebalance in price, and I called the internal model, which is this nice SMT with inversion play. That was basically it, man. So we had a great trading day, made 800 something, almost $900 on 4 accounts with funding ticks. Great day, and we show up again tomorrow. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me or message me on Discord. Peace.